How to use the Clearblue Digital Ovulation Test. Maximize your chances of getting pregnant. Before testing, make sure you read the leaflet, and you'll need to know your cycle length. You can work this out by counting the number of days from the first day of your period to the day before your next period starts. Once you know your cycle length, use the table shown in the leaflet to find out what day to start testing. You will need a stopwatch, and if you are dipping your test, a clean, dry container. When you're ready to test, take the test stick out of the foil and remove the cap. Insert the test stick into the holder right away. Line up both pink arrows. Make sure the pink arrows are pointing towards each other and listen for the click. This activates the holder. Wait for the test ready symbol to appear. Once it appears, use the test straight away. Always keep the tip pointing downwards during testing, and either test in your urine stream for 5 to 7 seconds or test in a sample of your urine collected in a clean, dry container for 15 seconds. Don't eject the test stick from the holder. Put the cap back on and lay the test stick flat. After 20 to 40 seconds, the test ready symbol will flash to show the test is working. And your result is displayed within 3 minutes. You'll either see a blank circle that means no LH surge, or a smiley face which means you've detected your LH surge and have reached your most fertile time. After reading your result, eject the test stick and throw it away with your normal household waste. Clearblue Digital Ovulation Test. Identify your 2 most fertile days. If you have any questions or need assistance, please get in touch through the Contact Us section at clearblue.com.